kitchen is a mess. I got the sink full of dishes. The dishes are all piled up on the counters. They're even over on the stove. Plus the dishwasher's all filled up, so I got to take all these dishes out and put them away. So when I got a big mess like this, I like to put in my earbuds and listen to Audible, so I can just listen to an audiobook while I get all this work done. And if you got a big mess like I do and you got a lot of work to do, you might want to check out Audible. I'll put a link in the video description. They got a lot of specials and deals and stuff going on all the time. So you can go ahead and check out that link in the description and you can get all set up on Audible. And then a chore like this won't seem so bad. For my audiobook today, I'm going to be listening to The Productivity Ninja. So this is a perfect way to get two things done at once. I can learn something about productivity while I get all the dishes done. I'm just going to put in my earbuds and start listening to this Productivity Ninja book, and then I'll get the kitchen all cleaned up. I remember the first time I ever did the dishes, I was like 5 years old, and my parents had a lot going on, and the kitchen ended up a big old mess, kind of like what I got here. Wasn't quite this bad, but still it was a pretty big mess. And it was Mother's Day, so I thought I would surprise my mom by doing the dishes. But I didn't have a lot of experience doing dishes, so I ended up washing all the dishes, but I only washed one side of the plate, so when I put everything back in the cupboard, all the dishes got dirty again. My mom didn't care, though. She was just so happy that I took it upon myself to do the dishes for Mother's Day. The only problem with that is once my mom learned that I knew how to do dishes, that became one of my chores. I was kind of a child prodigy when it came to washing dishes, other than the fact that I only washed one side of the plates and I put a bunch of dirty dishes back in the cupboard. Cleaning the kitchen isn't exactly thrilling, but I found a way to make it feel more productive. I've been listening to How to Be a Productivity Ninja by Allcott on Audible, and it's packed with smart, actionable advice. One thing that really struck me was his take on diet. He talks about how what you eat affects your energy, focus, and ability to stay productive. It's not just about what apps and calendars, it's about fueling your brain. That tip hit home for me, especially when I'm doing stuff like this around the house. The book's full of all kinds of ideas like the chord system, capture, organize, review, do, and how to be ruthless with your attention. Plus, the narrator, Shuster, makes it super easy to listen to while I'm getting stuff done. He has a really interesting accent, too. So yeah, if you want to turn your chores into a chance to learn something new, check out Audible. I've got a free trial link below. It helps support the channel, too. Something I've noticed while listening to The Productivity Ninja is that the narrator, Shuster, has a smooth British accent, and honestly, it makes me focus more. I find myself really tuning in to catch every word to make sure I can understand it, and because of that, I actually retain more of what I hear. It's like my brain goes into active listening mode. I think that's backed by cognitive science too. They say if you listen to someone with an accent that you're not used to, that it can heighten your attention and engagement, which leads to better retention. I'm getting the kitchen cleaned up today, not just because it needed it, but because I've got a couple of videos coming up. One's about this new air fryer that I got sent to me to make a video about, and the other's a cabinet lid organizer. Once I get the kitchen all cleaned up, it'll be easier to maintain it so that I'll be ready to record these videos that I got coming up in here. I like to have a really clean background whenever I make videos. I don't want a bunch of dirty dishes sitting around on the counter distracting from the video that I'm recording. So yeah, I like to clean up everything really nice before I make my videos in the kitchen. Another part of How to Be a Productivity Ninja that really resonated with me was the idea of doing too many simple tasks can actually drain your energy. It's easy to feel productive when you're checking off emails and tidying up, but if you spend all your energy on the easy stuff, you've got nothing left for the big, meaningful projects. That hit home with me, especially when I'm trying to balance content creation with everyday chores. Allcott talks about managing your attention like a resource, not just your time. So now I try and batch some of the simple tasks and protect my energy for the creative work that really moves the needle. All right, I got the kitchen all cleaned up, and I learned a lot about productivity from listening to this audiobook, The Productivity Ninja. You can see how nice the kitchen looks, and got all the dishes done, the sink cleaned out, the counters all cleaned up, the stove all cleaned up. I got the center island all cleaned up as well. And I got the dishwasher loaded up. There's still a little bit of room in here, so I can put a few more dishes throughout the day before I turn it on. My wife saw me in here cleaning up the kitchen, and so she got to work too. She found some old expired food. This food's all a couple years old and is still good, they say, even after a couple years. So we're not sure if we can still eat this or donate it or whatever, but we decided to take it out of the pantry, and then it's just piled up behind there. So now we got all fresh food in our pantry. She cleaned out the shelves so all the cans are up to date, so there's no more expired food in here. So yeah, I got it all cleaned up in here, and listening to the audiobook really helped. So yeah, if you got a big mess to clean up too, you might want to check out the link in the video description for Audible. Really helps to have something to listen to while you're working. Feel like I learned a lot about productivity as well, and I got the kitchen all cleaned up. Looks really nice in here.